Hi, my name is Kay Estefano. Welcome and welcome back to this channel. For today's video, we will be making this granny square tube top. I will also upload tutorials for the skirt, headscarf, and cardigan that you are seeing right now on the screen. And to shorten the other videos for our granny square series, I uploaded a separate video tutorial for the granny square alone so that you can just go back to the tutorials for the headscarf, skirt, and cardigan or on this video. To watch the granny square tutorial, just click the link that will pop up in the upper part of the screen or the link on the description box below. So for this tutorial, we will need any fingering weight yarn, a pair of scissors, tapestry needle, measuring tape, a 4mm hook, and a garter long enough to go around your underbust and chest. I suggest you use 1 cm garter. I don't have it, so I just doubled my 5mm garter. So after you've learned how to make the granny squares, I will now show you how to adjust their sizes to fit your body size. These granny squares with 4 rounds measures 9 cm, and this one with 5 rounds measures 11 cm. So either of those numbers will be our multiple to determine how many squares we will make. I chose to make granny squares with 4 rounds, so my multiple will be 9. Our underbust measurement will be our base. So for example, my underbust is 69 cm, and the number multiple of 9 closest to 69 is 72. So 72 divided to 9 cm is 8, so we will make 8 squares so that it could go around our chest. One row of 8 granny squares can cover my chest, so I made a 2. And the next step is to join these granny squares starting from here to here, here to here, same with the rest, and then start here to the other side. To join the granny squares, start with a slip knot and then set aside that yarn. Insert your hook on the chain 1 space on the edge of the 2 granny squares. And then grab your white yarn, insert your hook, and pull through all loops. And then insert your hook on the next stitch of the 2 granny square. You'll have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Repeat that till last. After you reach the last stitch or the next chain 1 space, you will just repeat the same pattern on each of the granny squares. After you finish that, additional chain 1 to secure the yarn and then cut. Repeat the same pattern on the other squares. So on this part, on the intersection, you will just chain 1 after your last stitch to jump over to the next granny squares. Do the same till last. Then after that, attach it to the other side and before cutting the yarn. Then after that, attach this line. After that, it should look like this, like a tube top. Soften the edges and attach our garter. Attach your yarn, your white yarn, anywhere on the top. and then chain 1 and single crochet each of the next stitch, or basically 1 round of single crochet. After 1 round of single crochet, slip stitch on the first single crochet and then start a row 2 with chain 1. Again, we will make 1 round of single crochet, but this time along with our garter. Again, to finish the row, slip stitch an additional chain 1 to secure the yarn and then cut. Do the same exact pattern on the other side and also with the garter. And after that, we're done. If you like this top, you might also want to like this video, subscribe, and click that bell button so you'll get notified on my future uploads. Also, if you want to make this granny square cardigan headscarf and skirt, I will put the link of the tutorial on the description box below once they are uploaded. Thank you for watching!